Sunday fun day. Now we're off to the fun. We got the poop taken care of. We did all the work. I take credit for it because we have the same last name, but I didn't do anything. Poop. Poop. Okay, we're turning the key. Dump, done. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. It's so cold outside. We're done.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You have a great day.
Can I do one of these things?
Take several.
Two.
Whenever we buy these, $1 goes toward Children's Hospital.
Oh, I'll take all of them. No.
Okay, take as many as you want.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a great weekend. For the elusive repeater chip, believed to be present in aisle 14. Don't see it yet. Do I sound smarter? I feel like I sound smarter. I am looking, actually not for pita chips. I'm looking for, yeah, I am looking for pita chips. Pita chips, I found them. They were in aisle, I found them, aisle 13. I found the pita chips in aisle 13. I said I was going to talk in a British accent today because I think maybe when we're doing an unboxing or the review, yeah, because I'll sound so much smarter. Probably. I don't know. More believable, at least. Okay, back on track. Yogurt, wine. Yogurt and wine. Yes, no, British accent. Vote. Hey everyone, me Brandy. Just wanted to remind you of something. If you're liking our content, I hope you are, please subscribe. And if you're liking it, then like it. Give us a thumbs up. Obviously that's what that is. I drew it. Comment, good, bad, just, you know, let us know how we're doing. I'd like to read that. And then last but not least, the little bell by the subscribe button. Ring that sucker. That'll notify you when we post new stuff, which we're trying to do pretty regularly, so help us out. See that bell? it equals us being happy. Bye.